Hey guys, what's up? Before we continue this video, I just want to say I just got finished recording an updated eyebrow tutorial. So if you see me in 2 videos with the same shirt on, that is why. Okay, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and not want to miss out on all of the entertaining videos that I'm going to be putting out. I post new videos every single week, so let's get into the video. This is going to be how to apply false lashes for beginners. I know it may look hard, but I'm telling you, it's the most easiest thing. You're going to need some lashes. Okay, you're going to need eyelash glue. And you're going to need some tweezers. So I have a few lashes right here. Okay, but I think I'm just gonna go with these. These are in Fantasy by Lash Dreams. So if you like any of these, I will have them linked in the description box, just so it can be easier for you to find them. So this is the type of glue I use before we jump into. This is the only eyelash glue I use. I don't use no type of other eyelash glue. I love this. It stays on all day long for days. I can sleep on my lashes, they'll still be on. And it's black and it has aloe in there, which is good for, you know, like conditioning your eyelashes or whatever. I don't use hair glue for my eyelashes. Hair glue is not meant to be put on eyelashes, okay? I know some people out there use them and that's cool, but me, no. Hair glue is like way too strong for your eyelashes. Your eyelashes are fragile already. Let me give y'all like a little story. So eyelash extensions and individuals, I never knew the difference. This was last year. So I went to this nail spot and I thought she was giving me eyelash extensions, y'all. She put hair glue up under, like under there and on top. So like my eyelashes was trapped in between hair glue and the individuals, okay? I had them on for about 2 months. Nobody did not tell me how to take care of them. She said they last a long time, so I'm like, okay. 2 months up, I'm ready to take them off because it was getting annoying. When I first got them, they looked like freaking spider legs. So I'm like, so I had to break them in. Anywho, when I get to take them out, I put coconut oil on them to melt the glue away. It melted away some of it, but not all of it. And it wanted to tear my eyelashes out. I was literally bald. Like, I'll have a video like up here somewhere to show you guys. You probably not be able to tell, but I literally had no eyelashes. Okay, I grew them back using castor oil, but like I was bald and I was like so mad. So anyway, let's jump into the video. Eyelashes are new. What you want to start by doing is bending them to get that U shape, so it can be the shape of your eye. Now, I know this is for my right eye because right here is short, which belongs in the corner, and this part, the long part, belongs on your outer corner. So you place your tweezers right in the middle of your eyelash. Oops. And you want to start applying the glue. I blow it for about like 30 seconds. I don't know if that's what you do with other glue, but this is the glue that I use, so this is the only glue that I know. And you just want to do this until it gets like tacky. I don't touch it to feel if it's tacky. I just, you know, I use my judgment just because I apply lashes a lot, so I already know like when to put them on. Now that it's dry, what you want to start by doing, let me bring my lashes down some because they're probably in the way. So you want to place it directly in the middle first, then you want to place your outer corner and make your inner corner last. Lashes it away. Then your outer corner. Then you do your inner corner. Okay. And you want to squeeze and stick. Ooh. Let's just be getting, what do I call it? So they look a little crazy right now, but we're gonna fix them. My eyes is always watering. Okay, my left eye, I always have a problem just because I have to apply it with my left hand, and I'm right-handed, so I do everything with my right hand. So doing things with my left be tricky sometimes. Same thing with this eye that we do on the other one. I'm just gonna brush my eyelashes down some so they won't be in my way. So yeah, so this is how they look. This is how they look. I like these. These are not something I would wear every day. This is probably something I'll just wear like to go out. I do have some ones that you probably could wear every day, and that's these ones right here. And Sweetheart, these are in Fantasy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you learn how to apply your lashes. And yeah, if you like, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.